Welcome to the Orthodontist. You've made a great choice by choosing a specialist in orthodontics. Did you know that an orthodontist is a dental specialist that has not only completed college and 4 years of dental school, but also completed an additional 2 to 3 year residency program of advanced education in orthodontics? An orthodontist has learned the skills that are required to treat the misalignment of teeth and facial development with braces, aligners, and other methods. Only a dentist that has completed the additional years of training and education after dental school can be considered an orthodontist. Now that you know you're in good hands, let's take a look at the benefits of orthodontic treatment. Most people think of orthodontics as improving the appearance of the teeth, but orthodontic treatment is about more than just how teeth look. Orthodontic treatment leads to better overall dental health by straightening crooked and overlapping teeth and correcting bites which are unhealthy for your teeth and jaw joints. An incorrect bite can lead to premature wear, damage, or loss of teeth. A correct bite is important for chewing, eating, and speaking. Your orthodontist will make sure you have a beautiful smile and a great bite. In a healthy bite, the back teeth mesh together properly. For this to occur, the upper teeth need to be slightly wider than the lower teeth. The upper front teeth should be slightly in front of and slightly overlap the lower front teeth. When this occurs, the bite can function in a healthy manner. So sit back and relax. You're in good hands, the hands of an orthodontist.